Hi, welcome everyone to yet another interesting fireside chat on Gen AI adoption, and AI engineering buddy. We are honored to have today with us our esteemed panelist, Gayathri, Director of Engineering, Advanced Engineering Services. Hello, Gayathri. We have Indrajit Kar, AVP AI ML. Hi, Indrajit. And we have Dr. Annapurna Sharma, who's the technical specialist. Hi, Annapurna. All right, awesome. So great, welcome you all. Like it's very simple, right? Gen AI is everywhere. Everyone is talking about AI ML and the models and multimodal data and all. But today we are doing something special. We are talking about Gen AI adoption, AI engineering, and much more. So let's take a pause for a moment and let's see what our panelists want to say in one word. So Indrajit, how excited are you for this interesting session?
Well, I'm always excited when it comes to Gen AI, so you can understand that it's amazing feeling over here.
Great. Thanks, Indrajit. Gayatri, how about you? How is the feeling now?
It's super excited because the journey is always with velocity at scale, and with GenAI in place, we see that it's much more. So that's great.
Awesome. Annapurna, how about you?
Yeah, very much excited.
Awesome. Great. I think with that exciting note, let's begin our first episode. And my first question to you is Annapurna. So Annapurna, in the teaser episode, we briefly touched upon the concept of struggling with multimodal data. Can you please delve deeper into how multimodal vector database is and what advantages it brings to data management and analysis?
Yeah, so multimodal data is a data type which consists of diverse data types like images, text, and audio. And managing multimodal data is very challenging due to the distinct characteristics that is present in each of the modality of the data. And multimodal vector databases help us to target or address these challenges. A multimodal vector database is a data storage and retrieval system designed to handle diverse data types by representing them in the form of vectors. And each of these vectors from different modalities come to a common feature space. They offer several advantages in data management and analysis. It provides a unified platform for handling diverse data types, fosters cross-modal relationships, enhances search and query capabilities, supports scalability, enables data fusion, seamlessly integrates with the existing machine learning workflows that we have currently. That's it.
Wow, that's some amount of data that is flowing in. Thanks for that insight, Annapurna. Indrajit, coming to you, like data governance is a significant concern of AI, right? Can you please elaborate on how Gen AI ensures the safety and confidentiality of user data? Also, if you can touch base on how you prevent data, including prompts, being shared with the foundational model, and what are the measures that ultimately you have to take when it comes to protecting the data, and that will serve as the competitive advantage. Can you please elaborate on that?
Absolutely right. See, first, you have to come to Zensar to go ahead and get your data governance for AI, or Gen AI. The reason being, we have a responsibility AI framework. We use that responsible AI framework rather, pardon me, and that responsible AI framework to actually govern your data, guard your data, and ensure that there is no leakage or unauthorized access. Now, a couple of things that you need to understand. One thing, let's say if you're using, I would say, Gen AI, which is API based, or I don't want to name anybody, but let's say API based calls you're making. I think the hyperscalers have their own policies where they do not train on your data or even your prompts. So in that way, you're secure. Now, let's say you still have some kind of a doubt that, hey, no, I'm not really sure about this. Then what you need to do is do on-prem. So you download your large language model, and we have our own framework, which is adopt Gen AI securely, your data, your LLM. So that means it's your data, it's your LLM, it's inside your DMZ or demilitarized zone, which is your data center, or either it can be on-prem or it can be any other data centers or cloud, and it's yours altogether. So as I answered that how to prevent prompts already, now one of the things is that still if there is a doubt that okay, what are the measures can we take, in those measures there are step-by-step guidance that we as Zensar will provide you. We will walk you through, will brain share and will walk you through all the possible steps that is required to protect your data and you get a competitive advantage.
Got it. Great. Thanks for that insightful answer and knowledge sharing, Indrajit. Thanks a lot. Gayathri, coming to you, I think in the teaser, you mentioned the term of AI engineering buddy. So could you please explain to our listeners what this concept exactly means and how it is playing a role in enhancing the software development process, especially in the context of complex and transformational projects?
Sure, Akshay. Every enterprise are currently exploring ways to enhance productivity improvements in three different key dimensions. One is automation, number two, acceleration, and third is augmentation. Okay. However, they encounter several challenges when they do these or when they want to adopt these dimensions. Some of them to be included is like a shortage of cross-skill personnel, especially on the engineering area, lack of comprehensive knowledge base, issue related to design and simulation before even the start of the project and so on, right? Additionally, they also face a lot of problems like safeguard their high confidential engineering assets, which is their IPs, eventually mission critical data and so on, is also another area which is a concern for every enterprise. All of this to be managed while ensuring data privacy, and as Indrajit said, like data governance is really important for people to do that, right? To address all of these challenges, Zensar leverages its deep techno-domain expertise, advanced AI capabilities, and engineering expertise community. It's not that one team which works, it's spread across Zensar, whom we utilize, and we had built a comprehensive ecosystem, which is AI engineering body. It is an innovative solution powered by Azure OpenAI. While its primary focus is productivity improvement and improving the time to market, but the team has also integrated a lot of things into the ecosystem, which are key essential for any software development lifecycle, such as architectural best practices, modern design principles, adherence to DevSecOps principles at early stages, compliances with standards, meeting contemporary architectural requirements, and so on, right? And also it enables various persona like developers, testers, architects, and augment their knowledge with via AI body by having reusable techno-domain specific templates. This ecosystem assists in identifying dependencies within applications or platforms, simplifying complex process of development into manageable building blocks, which we call it as like Lego pieces. Ultimately, it enables organizations to transform, innovate, and maintain their systems more efficiently and swiftly, with the approved assured productivity improvement of 30% to 50%. While ensuring all the guidelines, privacy, security, and quality concerns are really getting addressed on the wrap. Thank you.
Got it. Great. I think overall we are doing a magnificent job when it comes to AI engineering buddy. And I think thanks a lot for the insightful episode 1. I think as and when we progress in the episode 2 and upcoming episodes, I'm sure our listeners would be very excited to know what's happening more and what's there in the space of AI. So thank you again for your insightful insights. Thanks.